Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use ChatGPT to write a cover letter. So first of all, just go to any browser and search for chat.openai.com, and after searching it, just click on login to your account. Now you need to just give your email address, or you can just use any of these options: Google, Microsoft account, or Apple. I'm using Google. Now just select your account. Now in the bottom message, you can just type for give an example of cover letter. Now you can just copy the code and you can just use it. So guys, that's how you can get ChatGPT to get a cover letter. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.